For some reason, it was on mute mode. Why was it on mute mode for some reason? Did you accidentally hit mute mode? Mute mode? I think I did accidentally. I accidentally hit mute mode, I think. I know! Those are awesome. My little duckies. They're being noisy back there.
They're like, where do we go?
I know.
Duckies!
If you guys, yeah. If you guys want to see videos of like our duckies, go to Animal Time. It's probably, if you go to my YouTube channel, scroll down to featured channels. It should say bonus channels and more, and then there's Animal Time. Well, that was a big one. Yeah, I post all animal videos.
Duckies!
They all quack.
They answer back.
They're adorable. Oops, my shoes are all messed up. Hold up, guys, gotta fix this. I messed it up. Whoa.
That was funny.
I know.
That is funny. If you guys like the microphone sound, I will leave that in the description below. This one here is a really nice microphone I had to remove for noise cancellation because it was capturing all the noise in the background, which we don't want to do that because we want to listen to the fireworks. But it does have a little button right here. This is the microphone. They do have
Whoa.
cancellation. You just push this button on the side. So now you have the noise cancellation. It takes everything out of the background. But we don't want to do that because it is the
4th of July.
We
4th
want to
of
hear the fireworks.
I've been down since
So now
July.
noise cancellation. This is a nice microphone, especially if you're a content creator. I do recommend getting one of these. It comes with 2 microphones, and it also comes with a receiver that connects on the bottom of your phone. It works for Android as well as iPhone.
And any platform at all.
Anything that actually uses a Type-C, you can use it with. That's the big one right there. The noise cancellation is off, so you can hear all the noise from the fireworks.
I really like the one where it went like this. Psh, psh.
Yeah.
That was amazing. They did like 5
swirly
times in a
ones?
row. Yeah, I went psh, psh. It went like this. Psh,
That is
psh.
too awesome.
I know, it was amazing. I hope they do that again. Now those ones, they just go up. They don't even pop at all.
Right here behind this tree.
And I like the red one. Remember the red one?
Coming from. Huh?
Do you remember the red one where it went up? It was like so bright. I love that one.
So these ones here are basically my neighbors next to this house right here. And the ones back here are way back there.
Oh yeah.
But they're so big, you could probably see that for about 2 miles away.
I'm gonna sit down because my feet are tired. Whoa.
I think the ones behind us ran out.
Yeah. Whoa. They probably stocked up.
It is 10:58.
It's actually 11. But my clock is. Hope they didn't stop. Whoa. Yeah. But it was good enough because they haven't done it in a while.